Well, just came home and we got a package from Tackform. Finally, no more putting my phone in the cup holder, tossing it on the center console. Be nice, a little organized. And yeah, we're gonna do everything inside the truck. Include some stickers because everyone loves stickers. One of the arms with a couple of the ball attachments. This is the camera mount, so it'll be easy to hook up a GoPro. Oh, cool. They included a little tumbler. That's awesome. Nice. I wonder if that's magnetic. Molly compatible tack pack. Nice little Velcro. This is the important part. Some blocks, probably for mounting. I have no idea how any of this goes, but it should be pretty self-explanatory. Oh, screws, put that aside, screws, put that aside. And this is that plate. That's gonna go right up here. Then you'll be able to put your accessories all on this track. Nice. Oh, and then this is the phone holder. Cool. First things first, we gotta pull out this little piece and you expose these two bolts right down there. Back those out. I'm using a T20 bit. All right, so those two screws are out. Next is going to be grabbing the new support legs. This one has 4 holes and the other one has 2. They say to make sure that the 4 holes goes on the right hand side. This little piece is going to fit inside that spot right there. Like this, so. Let's get a phone mount on there. So we're gonna start with this guy, then the arm, then the phone mount. Nice thing about this is just as simple as that. Goes in through the slot, slides on over, you toss the Allen in, tighten it up, and you are good to go. So I got the arm out, nice flat black, carbon fiber. They make these knobs, I believe, all in different colors. I know a lot of people like to accessorize that way. I like the plain simple look. But to put this on, you just got to back this out. You can pop this off. This will allow you to put on the little extra holder, and then it's just kind of gonna go and sit right there. This goes on the ball. I think right there is pretty good. Let's put this guy on. Yep, slips in there. So that kind of sets everything up. Put your phone in, holds it, tighten. I didn't really tighten everything. So yeah, that kind of does it. Quick install on the Tackform mount in my 2022 Ram 3500. They have tons of options, tons of trucks, tons of vehicles that you can buy this for. Go online, check it out, customize it with the colors, customize exactly what you want with 2 phone mounts. They have the quad lock system, they have wireless charging systems. But yeah, take a look at Tackform. I'll leave a link in the description below, and we'll go from there. Thanks.